Hello friends, welcome to Sajjad ArtWala. Subscribe to my channel Sajjad ArtWala for more interesting and material processing videos. Today we are going to make a 3D pyramid using boxboard. For this we need a scale, a cutter, pencil and eraser, and also your brain. So friends, as you can see, I have made 9 boxes. Each box is that I have taken with the measurement of 3 by 3, and then with the center box over this one and this one, what I have done is taken the midpoint, so I can make a straight line and straight line from this to this. And as you can see, what I have done is I have mark my line from this way to this way with the midpoint. This is how I will make the 3D pyramid. Now what you have to do is, as you can see, I have marked the midpoint. Now from the midpoint to that corner I will make a line like that, as I've shown in the video. Then from this side, then this side and this side. These 4 boxes are of no use. These will be cutted. Then what I have done is I have marked another line. The measurement you can take of your own choice, distance of the width, and then and I have made this line. After that, this line will be left. Then I have made another line. These lines will be made as alternating, so the flaps will be easier to make a pyramid. Now as you can see that as I told you earlier in the video that I will cut the sides that are no use for me, so I have cutted all the sides. Then what I have to do is to cut these sides also. These one too. Now remember, it's a sharp thing, so if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment in the link box. So guys, as you can see, I have put all the sides together. Now as shown in the video how this it will be. The edges should be formed. Now from the back of the cutter I will make the flap. Remember, measuring is the important key in making a 3D structure. If you will take the wrong measurements, your structure will automatically you will not able to get the perfect shape. Now as you can see, what I am doing is, now this side also, this side too, this side also, and this side. Now when I will, okay, it will look like this. So with the help of the box board, I have attached all the sides. I have not made it here, but I have made another one. As you can see, these all sides are equally pasted with the glue, and the quality of this pyramid should be, the edge should be, the top of the pyramid should be so edgy, so it's like bell pyramid. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Sajjad ArtWala. Thank you.